Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add pages to your Shopify store and include them in your navigation menu. Creating pages like About Us, Contact Us, or Policies helps organize your store and makes it easier for customers to find important information. Let's walk through how to set this up. On the Shopify dashboard, we need to click on Online Store, then click on Pages. Here, we can create a new page by clicking this option. We'll give the page a name. For example, we'll call it Policies. Then we add the content, such as the store's terms and policies. Once we're done, we need to set the page to visible so customers can see it. We can also select a page template if needed. We can fill in the search engine listing details, like the meta description and URL. When everything looks good, we click Save. After saving, we can see the new page listed under our Pages section. Now, we can add it to our navigation menu. To do that, we go to Content, then Menus. Here, we can open the menu we want to edit and add a new menu item. We link the menu item to our new Policies page. Once we're done, we click Save. We can confirm the link is pointing to the correct page. Then we review everything and click. Save one more time to apply the changes. That's how we add pages and include them in our navigation menu in Shopify. Organizing your store this way makes browsing easier and improves the overall customer experience.